Birthdays, wedding anniversaries, and public holidays are regulated by Pope Gregory XIII's Gregorian calendar, which is itself a modification of Julius Caesar calendar introduced in 45 BC. The names of months are therefore derived from the Roman gods, leaders, festivals, and numbers. Welcome to German Wissen, where we share all about grammar topics, its culture, to build your knowledge and to get you familiar with a new life of Germany. The reason why I used like in place of language is learning another language is not only learning different words from same things, but learning another way to think about things which lead again to the new life. The German names for the months are pretty much same as in English, except for some minor differences and a different pronunciation. That is our today's lesson. In this video, you will learn how to say German names for the months. But before proceeding further, take few minutes to subscribe our channel because like I've said before, in this platform there is lot more for you coming to introduce you about the hub of German language. To pick up these words quickly, all you have to do is listen and repeat. They are Monat and the plural is die Monate. The very first month name is January, which in German is called as Januar. Second is February, called as Februar. March is different in pronunciation. It is called as März. Then April is same as April. Of English, May just take the ending as I at the end. Then it is called as Mai. So far you know already that J is pronounced as Y in German. So the next month, which is June, in German it is called as Juni. Same we have July, pronounced as Juli. August is August as it is. September is September. Slightly taking the sound of Z is like September. Next we have October, which in German it is pronounced as Oktober. That means C replaced with K. November is also same as in English, which is November, and December in German is December. C replaced with Z. Thank you again for the love and support that you give us for all our previous video. We also handpicked this tutorial which we recommend you to watch next. And we'll see you back on the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe and stay home. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.